Shanghai Aite Machine Trading Company Limited is located in Shanghai, China. It is a professional, international sales company of used construction machinery and equipment and has been supplying various used excavators, bulldozers, rollers, loaders, graders, mixers, dump trucks, forklifts, etc. Our sales brands include Caterpillar, Komatsu, Doosan, Hyundai, Hitachi, Kobelco, etc. The company has an excellent training team and professional technicians with a large scale, complete varieties, diverse tonnage, and low prices. If you are interested in our product, you can contact us for price or other details.